Alright, so last time I played this game on the channel, I was complete dog at it. I was terrible. And I claimed that I was actually good at this game, and I cringe watching those videos now. No, I'm a pro. We're not going to talk about how when I started playing in the Cat's Eye event, I joined the map not thinking it was an event, and didn't even get the Blapper Deal perk, like, for the bandit, and I beat Blapper Deal. And we're not going to talk about any of that. So yeah, as we load into the game, I always wondered why it was this title. It's probably kind of obvious for people, but like I'm not sure. Oh my god, I can see the front of my Roblox character for once, because I have a glitch on my iPad where I haven't been able to see it. It's just been putting me in auto shift lock mode, so this is what I see every single time I join the game on mobile. And there's no shift lock button in this game. So finally, I can actually see the front of my Roblox character. Kind of, because it's gray. And yeah, we're going to be also talking about, now, compared to, like, last time I played, because, oh my god, so much has changed. I can't even begin to comprehend. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing that has changed is obviously the map selection. This is so much better because you can select any map on any kind of thing. The only thing I would change is make a level requirement, because obviously everyone's like 20 plus, same as me. I'd say make a requirement for what level you need to be to join the thing. That would make it so much easier. Also, yeah, this section, we're gonna go a lot into this. But yeah, let's go to our equipment, our perks. Last time we had no perks, now I have 6. Potential Bandit, Gunner perk, Infernus perk, Ninja, Recon, Soulmaster perk. Yeah, I'm using Recon and Bandit, which I'm pretty sure, in my opinion, are the 2 best ones. Someone said Soul perk is better than Bandit, which is not true at all. Okay, maybe it does like a lot more damage, but it's good for late game. Bandit is really good for all game, I guess. But yes, now with my pro skills, can I solo a map? Let's see. Right now, our loadout isn't too bad. I'm obviously going grasslands, because if you don't go grasslands, you're just bad. I'm not doing one player because it would auto start it. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my loadout right now. Right now, I'm using Farmer for money, Scarecrow for buffing, Potential Bandit, Cyborg, Recon, Infernus for solo, because Infernus, it's really good for like burning towers, and it's a really good burning effect. So yeah, let's just start this and play smart, obviously, because we want to win. And yeah, I'll cut back when we get into it, because it's probably going to take like 10 years to load. So obviously we're doing normal mode, because I think it's impossible to solo hard. I'm not sure. Why is my animation glitched? Why? Please. Okay, and either way, we're going to place a Potential Bandit. What the heck? What? Yeah, this is the kind of things that my computer does on a daily basis. I'm very concerned for it. Roblox is so much of a bully that they make the enemy animations work and the tower animations work, but not my animations. Like, it's funny, the only animation that works for me right now is the falling, not even me jumping. That's just sad, honestly. Really comes to show what Roblox thinks about you every single day. That's a problem. We've got our first dummy boss. He's actually doing pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my first Recon. And now we need to start maxing this thing, because this thing can really do a lot of damage. Because, you know, with these rushers coming, I also placed a couple level 1 cyborgs. Because, you know, we want those for late game and stuff. Shoot them! No! Okay, the cyborgs can take care of them. But yeah, let's also upgrade this guy to hidden detection. Easy, slow enemies. Yeah, we haven't even taken that much damage yet. And my animation is still glitched. Man, I will say, computer actually does feel a lot more like clean than mobile, because you can actually just hover your cursor over it. You don't have to like tap and hold. Like, oh my god, you'd have to like tap and hold like this. It's so annoying. But now you can just put your mouse over it, it shows the health. It's so much better. And how is my animation still broken at wave 15? Okay, I placed an furnace down. I just got to level 3 to do some pretty good burning damage. I also got my bandit to level 4. It's fine, it still says 4 out of 4, but it clearly has another upgrade. So yeah. Also, the dummy's animations are also kind of broken still. The dummy mancer is out, which is about to get shredded. Let's just watch this thing get shredded. Yeah, we got these kids. I'll probably focus on, upgrading these, because they're going to do a lot of damage. As you can see, this thing isn't getting shredded just yet, but now since all the attention is on him, I'm actually going to make this middle one go for the strongest, because I'm just afraid it won't. Like there will be a problem with it. Yeah, so, oh my god, yeah, he literally is getting shredded. Just shoot him. Oh, never mind. You didn't even need to. We got a bunch of bosses. They're getting shredded by my cyborgs. I mean, okay, of course I can solo, because I've soloed normal mode, with only using bandits, but, like, still, that was with the 40% buff at the end. So, like, honestly, is it even okay, I know it's possible to solo normal mode. Everyone does, if you can't. Depends on if you're bad or not, but, like, my old loadout was, like, I used, like, Ducky back then. Ducky is obviously only good for insane mode. Like, only anyone in their right mind would know that. Tough boss, or, no, not tough boss. Slow boss is coming. He has a lot of HP, actually. If I can max this bandit, then that would be helpful. But for now, I think I should actually focus on placing some recons and getting them hit detection, because that would definitely help out more. Tell me I upgraded. Okay, these are all level 2 cyborgs. Yeah, the slow boss is kind of getting shredded. We got a bunch of tough enemies. My animation is still broken. I've reset like 3 times. I can reset again. It's not gonna change. It's so funny. Yeah, it's still only my falling animation. Like, the funny part is, like, my falling animation is the only thing that actually animates about my body. Like, it's not even the jump animation. It's so funny. I'm literally quivering with laughter right now. Oh. But yeah, I'm just taking a bath. Don't mind me. Oh no, transparent boss. What am I ever going to do? I've got a solution. Upgrade your cyborgs. How is this guy not dead yet? Okay, that's a concerning problem. We should do something about that. I'm going to, like, place one of these guys here, and it's gonna do damage, hopefully. And let's hope that we don't die by this guy. Thank God. Because I don't want to show how bad I am in front of the entire community. Okay, no. No. Problem. Who cares? Target the stronger. Oh, right. I forgot. This guy's gonna target the strongest as well. Okay, place another one, please. Thank you. Upgrade. I think we're good. Oh, yeah, we are. Yeah, we're on wave 21. Speedy boss should be coming soon. Why did I think the tough boss is coming earlier? That's weird of me to think that. Dude. Okay, how's it going over here? We got 2 slow. Oh, okay, that's a problem. That's why we need this upgrade. So please let me have this upgrade. Please. Thank you. Hidden detection. We kind of need that for none of these guys, but it doesn't matter. Dude, they spawn so many useless enemies. These dummy mans are dummy. Only has 20 HP. It's so funny. 4,800. That can make it do only a couple more damage, when this thing could make this more than quadruple its damage. That's silly. Okay, no, I can't do math. Hey Siri, what's 7 times 4?
7 times 4.
Okay, yeah, more than quadruple. It's 28. Totally did that in my head. I think we're not fine. We're not fine. Upgrade. Kill him. But thank God. Thank God for the cyborgs, like, special ability. Yeah, that's where I always lose in literally every single thing. There's only one way we could possibly win this right now. It's if you smash the like button. Okay, I'm not gonna make that joke. Target the strongest. Target the strongest. My dude's we lost. GG's. Wait. Okay, no, we didn't lose. We got him 62 HP. We're not gonna lose that much. Never mind, we lost a lot. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Yeah, we're gonna lose against the big dummy. Oh wait, like I've never attempted this before. I don't know how I did this with just bandits. I'm apparently a god and I don't even know it. Where's my bandit? Okay, yeah, we definitely need this bandit upgrade. Okay, thank God. This is gonna help us so much. Now we have 2 more slow bosses. Shouldn't be too much of a problem. Donuts are okay, we're chilling. Except now the fact that there's a bunch of... Okay, no, that's fine. Transparent rush, transparent slow boss, and then there's gonna be a tough boss coming right here. Like right now. I can already feel it. Yep, yep, slow boss tough boss. Okay. 2,500 HP, that's so fun. You, my friend, are targeting the strongest. Yeah, we gotta kill that thing. My friend. Okay, we're putting this guy here. We're upgrading him to the max level. Okay, maybe we can't do that yet, but like slow boss. Oh shoot, that's a problem. Recon. Place. Deal damage. Please. Give me enough for the upgrade, thank you. Okay. I need 2,000 cash. Why have I not placed a farmer yet? I should be placing farmers, but it's too late. Please die. Thank you. Oh, that's okay. No, never mind. It's not a problem. There's still 2 slow bosses. What are you guys doing? Please target the slow bosses. If I have to sell one of these guys, I swear. You know what? I don't know. Like, should I? Or should I not? Tough boss is still way back here. So, like, we're definitely gonna kill the slow bosses easy. But, like, at least get this bandit to level 4. Please. Thank you. Level 4 bandits do 7 damage. That's not too bad. Now, please. Okay, yeah, that's gonna be a problem. Maybe. Depends. Okay, oh wait, no, we're chilling. We're chilling. Easy, chilling. Easy. I thought that was gonna be a problem. Yeah, we're chilling. Nice. That was easier than I thought. Now, at this point, I'm used to being like, bandit power! But no. We're not soloing it with just bandits. That's too hard. I am going to have to upgrade that to the upgrade eventually if we want to kill the big dummy, because the big dummy has like no, like 5-6 times as much health as that. I just did the math. You're welcome, math teacher that probably randomly watches this video. Because his math teacher is in love with my videos. Just kidding, she's not. Why? You always have to do that. You always... Okay, let's just at least take a moment to appreciate that they reduced Big Dummy's health from 30k to 15k. And then they also made it so we can't summon stuff anymore. Let's just appreciate the fact that they did that. So that's gamer. Because Scout of the Spooks perk used to be so much harder. Not that I have it. But, like, obviously, I'm Scout. I didn't play the game back when the OGs started playing it. And why is my animation still broken? Yeah, I think it's safe to call it a GG's because... Yeah, that's a problem. Yeah, well, if this guy couldn't stun our towers, that might have been a little bit better. Dang it. We got so close. Oh, you guys do have to admit, we got close. Okay, we got close. We got better than last time. And yeah, if you want to see more of this content on our channel, and tutorial perks and help, like help how to get potential bandit, smash that like button. P-Brain knows a lot about CTD, so yeah. See you guys in the next video. Bye!